Good morning, YouTube. So here's the build tack on my Series 1 Pro 3D printer build plate. So this is the heated build plate. It's like an aluminum base, and then they've got the heater. I guess that's this part here, and then there's the glass. And then I applied the build tack over that. I guess the adhesive wears out and the material starts getting brittle. You get some places where get some divots in there, right in there and there. You can see I've pretty much covered the whole surface. I didn't use the very back a lot, but yeah, just so you can catch the light there maybe. Definitely got my money's worth out of this sheet though. It was in there, I think I put it in July, and this is the first part of February, so better than 6 months worth of use out of that. So it's time to get in here with like a razor blade, and you just start peeling this up. Usually once you get it going, it comes up pretty easy there, and you kind of have to work at it from each corner. So anyway, I'll keep going with that, and then the next trick is you have to clean the glass off really well. Get all the adhesive residue scraped off there and wipe it down with acetone and just get it perfectly clean, because now the next step is take this thing and stick it on. Okay, YouTube, got the glass cleaned off with some acetone, got it all nice and squeaky clean. And then what I did was I pulled off the backing paper up in this corner and got the edges nice and square here. Yeah, might need to move that just a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Got the back edge, this side, and then you can just come down here and pull the backing paper off like that. I'll start up in this corner and just work the flex plate, or this is the magnet material on there. Yeah, that's nice and square. Looks like it's a little bit long. Yeah, it hangs off just a little bit on this edge and this edge. These two are flush, so I think that's pretty good. Yeah, no kidding. That is a strong magnetic field. I think I have a roller. I'll probably try to roll that down. Then get this back on the printer. Oh, I guess that's so you can pick up the corners of the flex plate. Yeah, so that's what that is. Whoa, man, that sticks. Yeah, so the corners, they have the corners relieved there. Yeah, you wouldn't be able to get this off there without that corner. Wow. Holy cow, that sticks. Yeah, so you can line it up, and then when your print is done, you just reach in the corner, lift that off, you take this out, and then you can then flex the flex plate and pop your part off, and no more scraping and gouging. And in fact, here you can see, let me pop this light off the camera, and we'll turn off the overhead here. And I'll show you here, you can see all the bright spots in there. That's all the places the build tack had worn through. So there were actually quite a few more. There was that big tear right in there. There you can see that. There we go. And then you can see all those white spots are where my spatula had scraped it. I used a round edge spatula, but yeah, I mean, this thing lasted better than 6 months, so you can't complain about that. We got the flex plate installed, so I guess next step is I got to get this installed back on the printer, and then we have to dial in the height, because now we've added the magnet thickness plus the sheet of steel plus the build. Well, I had the build tack before, but now we've got the added thickness of the magnet and the steel plate in there. But yeah, that should be really nice. I also wanted to try out the white build tack. since I mainly print with black, it would be easier to see when you have residue on there. Yeah, I'll get this installed on the printer and we can give it a test run. I'll have to see if I have to change my build plate temperature with the added mass there. And also it seems like when the Buildtak is new, you kind of have to run the temperature a little higher, and then as it wears in a bit and gets a little bit rougher, you can cut the temperature down. We'll have to learn how to use this all over again, so I'll catch you in a little bit with that. And in the meantime, you can post any questions down in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching.